What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when you get this message in Photoshop. For anyone who works in sports as a graphic designer or a creative, knows that getting the scratch discs are full error message in Photoshop is almost inevitable. This is what I do to get them unfull. Unfull, not full. You know what I mean. Some quick things you can do right off the bat is clear out your trash bin, comb through your downloads folder, get rid of stuff you don't need, and clear out your trash bin again. A lot of times we let things pile up, and a lot of us don't know that even though we delete something, it's still on our computer and in our hard drive, taking up space. So clearing out your trash bin is a great first step to just unload some data, unload some storage, and see if that frees up any extra storage for Photoshop to run. If that doesn't work, what you'll want to do is go into Photoshop, go to Edit, scroll down to Purge, and then select All. It'll give you a message saying this cannot be undone. It'll ask if you want to continue, and then you'll press OK. And what that will do is clear out your clipboard, which you use to copy and paste things, and clear out your history in Photoshop, which actually holds a lot of storage space. So now that we've cleared out your scratch disk, if you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. Peace.